Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Fancyango outdoor resin storage shed. There are features include: durable and safe resin material. Crafted from premium resin, this storage shed is completely non-toxic and odor-free, making it safe for family use. The reinforced structure resists cracking, fading, and rust, maintaining its durability through sun, rain, and snow, perfect for year-round outdoor storage in gardens, patios, or backyards. Tips: upgraded storage box with lock tiring, add your own lock for extra privacy. Weatherproof and water-resistant design. This shed is made from durable resin, a material that ensures excellent weather protection. The angled design also promotes drainage, preventing water buildup and ensuring your gardening tools, outdoor cushions, and equipment stay completely dry in all weather conditions. Smart Storage Solutions offers 2 fixed storage levels with a removable middle partition for flexible space configuration. The top triangular compartment provides additional storage, while multiple built-in hooks on doors and interior walls allow for organized tool hanging. Perfect for surfboards, garden supplies, and other outdoor essentials. Space-saving dimensions. Measuring 64.17 inch, height, 25.79 inch, wide, 22.05 inch, depth, this compact shed fits perfectly in small spaces like patios, balconies, or alongside walls. Provides ample organized storage for lawn tools, sports equipment, and outdoor accessories. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.